friends, welcome to the topic of today's discussion, that is how to read India Yearbook. India Yearbook, published every year by Publication Division under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, is a reference annual that tracks country's progress in various fields. The book deals with all aspects of development, from rural to urban, industry to infrastructure, science and technology to art and culture, economy, health, defense to education and mass communication. There are also sections on general knowledge, current affairs, sports, and important events that are must for comprehensive understanding of these fields. With its authenticity of facts and data, this book is a treasure for civil service aspirants. In the preliminary exam, UPSC asks several questions on government schemes or yojnas, on important government institutions and organizations, and on general knowledge. This can be answered with smart study of India Yearbook. Even while writing answers in the main exam, you can use information content in the book to make your answers more effective. But this is about 1000 pages book, and if you don't know how to read it, then it will be sheer wastage of time and energy. Carefully analyze the previous year's prelim question papers and try to comprehend how questions are framed. For example, a question on government scheme or a yojana is designed in such a way that you need to know 1. Who are the beneficiary or target group, or what is the eligibility criteria. 2. What is the main objective and important components of the scheme, that is, how to help the target group. 3. Who is implementing the scheme, that is, which ministry or department of the government. 4. What is the role of central and state government in it, and what is the funding pattern. And finally, when and where the scheme is launched. In the same way, find out how questions are asked on government policies, missions, programs, institutions, organizations, authorities, commissions, etc. and prepare the relevant information from India Yearbook. Highlight the important statements that can be asked in statement based questions. Don't get carried away by the numbers in yearbook. You need not remember them. Just try to comprehend the trend, increasing or decreasing. Make a list of keywords, concepts, yojnas, institutions, international organizations which are mentioned in yearbook but details are not given. Prepare such a list chapter wise and start collecting significant information regarding them. Finally, don't read yearbook linearly, that is, first to last chapter. Instead, divide chapters in following groups or blocks. First group is geography plus environment. You can put chapters such as land and people, agriculture, energy, environment, industry, transport, water resources, and states and union territories under it. Then prepare the second group for economy and infrastructure and put chapters like basic economic data, commerce, finance, corporate affairs, planning, communication and information technology, and rural and urban development under it. Next block can be that of polity. Here you read chapters like national symbols, polity, and law and justice. Next block can be for social issues plus welfare plus human development, and read chapters on education, health and family welfare, food and civil supplies, housing, welfare, and labor and employment under it. Next block can be for defense plus international and bilateral relations and Indian diaspora. Under this block, read defense and India and world. Prepare rest of the chapters under general or miscellaneous category. For more information on this topic, you can write to me at admin@upscmantra.com. Thank you and all the best.